moments later.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Winda Cahaya with name K1323090. Here I will explain about probability using Venn diagram and tree diagram. What is a Venn diagram and tree diagram? A Venn diagram is a visual tool used to show the relationship between various seeds or events. Most commonly, a Venn diagram consists of circles that partially overlap, and that circle represent individual events. In probability, a Venn diagram is a figure with one or more circles inside a rectangle that describe logical relation between events. The rectangle in a Venn diagram represents the sample space or the universal set, that is, the set of all possible outcomes. A circle inside the rectangle represents an event, that is a subset of the sample space. We consider the following Venn diagram involving two events, A and B. In the diagram above, we have two events A and B within the sample space or universal sets called S. Green and purple regions, it is called A, while blue and purple regions, it is called B. And then only purple regions, it is called A intersection B. A intersection B. That means part of A and B also part of both. And green, purple, and blue regions, it is called A union B. That means combination of A and B. And yellow region, it is called A union B complement. That means the part that is not from set A and set B. Okay, now we will discuss an example of the problem. The problem is there are three clubs A, B, C in a town with 14, 15, 16 members respectively. 10 people are members of all the three clubs. 17 members belong to only one club. A member is randomly selected. Find the probability that he has a membership of exactly two clubs. Okay, next. The solution of the problem is step first. We have to write down the given information from the Venn diagram. We have a figure that represents the problem. We have A, B, and we have set A, B, and C within the universal set S. From the Venn diagram, we have A equal A plus E plus G plus D equals 14, and B equal B plus E plus G plus F equal 15. And C equal C plus D plus G plus F equal 16. Number of members of all the three clubs G equals 10. And number of members belong to only one club A plus B plus C equal 17. Step 2. Find the number of people belonging to exactly two groups. We have to add A plus B plus C. So we have A plus E plus G plus D plus B plus E plus G plus F plus C plus D plus G plus F equal 14 plus 15 plus 16. From calculating this, the result is D plus A plus F equal 25. D plus A plus F, it is a number of people belonging to exactly two groups. So the people is 25. Next, step 3. Find the total number of people in the club. The total number of people in the club equals A plus B plus C plus D plus E plus F plus G equals 17 plus 25 plus 10 equals 105. And then step 4, find the probability that he has a membership of exactly two clubs. We should calculate the total of the number of people belonging to exactly two groups over total number of people in the club equals 25 over 105 equals 5 over 21. So the probability that he has a membership of exactly two club is 5 over 21. Next, tree diagram. In probability theory, a tree diagram could be utilized to express a probability space. This diagram may describe a sequence of independent events, for example, a set of a coin toss or conditional probabilities like drawing card from a deck without substituting the card. Every node on the tree diagram shows an event and it's connected with the probability of that happening. The root node denotes the specific events and therefore it has a probability as 1. All sets of sibling joins are not designates an independent and exhaustive distribution of the parent event. And how to calculate the overall probability in the tree diagram? Probability means the likelihood of occurrence of the events. The probability value is a numerical value and it always lies between 0 and 1. The probability of an impossible event is 0 and the probability of the sure event is 1. The formula to find out the probability is given as probability of an event or PE equals number of favorable outcomes over total number of outcomes. Also, there is the number of probability formulas in probability theory. It depends upon the type of event. While tossing a coin, the probability of getting heads is 0.5 or 1 over 2, and the probability of getting tails is 0.52. Steps to calculate overall probability. First, write the probability value on the branch, and then multiply the probability value along the branches. Finally, add the probability value obtained after the multiplication process. When you add all the probability values obtained, the ratio should be equal to 1. Next, the problem of the tree diagram. The problem is a spinner is labeled with 3 colors: red, green, and blue. Markers spun the spinner once and toss a coin once. A. Calculate the probability of getting blue on the spinner and head on the coin. B. Calculate the probability of red or green on the spinner, tail on the coin. Next, the solution. From the problem, so we get a tree diagram of a possible outcomes. The tree diagram is this. A. The probability of getting blue on the spinner and head on the coin. Let S be the sample space and A be the event of getting blue and head. So, NS equal 6 and A equal 1. So, PA equals NA over NS equals 1 over 6. So the probability of getting blue on the spinner and head on the coin is 1 over 6. Next, B. The probability of red or green on the spinner and tail on the coin. Let B be the event of getting red or green and tail. So NB equals 2 and S equals 6. So the probability of red or green on the spinner and tail on the coin equals NP over NS equals 2 over 6 equals 1 over 3. Okay, that's the discussion about probability using Venn diagram and tree diagram. I think that's enough. I apologize if I any mistake. I hope this video is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.